This is the Love Shack, and today, well, tomorrow, we'll be going on my dad's Sonata, and my brother or my sister is going to be driving a rib, or it's not a rib, it's like a tender with an engine on the back. And later in the video tomorrow, we're going to be jumping off some rocks, and my brother's going to attempt a front flip. He's never ever done a front flip, and I'm going to attempt a back flip. But my mum and dad says, no, that's not safe, unless if it's deep enough. And I say, okay then, what time shall we go? And then, when it's deep enough, my brother always needs to check the depth, or my sister, before we jump, and safety's first. Done.